Hey, did you know that AI could reduce textile waste by up to 30%? That means saving thousands of meters of cloth and crores of rupees every single year. The textile industry is changing fast and AI is quietly becoming its biggest competitive edge. In this video, we will uncover the 5 AI tools transforming India's textile industry. These innovations aren't just boosting profits, they are helping the environment by cutting waste and reducing energy use. Let's see how AI is reshaping India's one of most oldest and most powerful industries. India's textile industry is massive and employing over 45 million people and contributing billions to exports. But inside the factories, challenges are mounting. High waste, manual errors, and unplanned downtime eat into profits every day. Many factories still depend on paper-based planning or outdated systems. That means production schedules run late, materials go missing, and customers wait longer for deliveries. And to this rising competition from Bangladesh and Vietnam, and it's clear to stay in the game, India's factories must become faster and smarter. Here are the 5 AI secrets driving this transformation. Number 1. AI-powered fabric inspection. Cameras scan fabrics in real time, detecting holes, stains, or weaving defects instantly far more accurately than the human eye. This cuts quality issues and saves lakhs in rework. Number 2. Smart production planning. AI analyzes past data and current orders to optimize schedules, make sure every line runs at full efficiency. Number 3. Automated fabric cutting. AI-driven cutting machines calculate the best layout, getting more pieces from every roll and reducing waste by up to 20 to 25%. Number 4. Demand forecasting. AI predicts which designs will sell before production starts. This means fewer dead stocks and fewer discounts at the end of the season. Number 5. Predictive maintenance. Sensors on machines track performance and alert the team before a breakdown happens, preventing hours of idle time. Let's look at one success story. A textile factory in Tirupur adopted AI-based production and maintenance systems. Within 90 days, they reduced waste by 25%, improved delivery timelines by 40%, and saved nearly 50 lakhs a month. No fancy new building, no massive investment, just smarter use of data and simple AI tools. Their workers now focus on creativity and precision, while the machines handle planning and analysis. That's the power of AI made practical, affordable, accessible, and life-changing for Indian MSMEs. From fabric inspection to demand forecasting, these 5 AI secrets are helping Indian textile industry save money, time, and resources. AI is not the future, it's already here, reshaping how India makes, manages, and moves its fabric. Which one of these 5 AI secrets surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories on how technology is transforming Indian industries. Together, let's make in India made with intelligence.